Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Homewood, local and long distance movers near me. We provide the right experienced long distance moving services to help make your move a lot easier. Regardless of how far you want to relocate, our professional crew of movers can make it a lot simpler. With the best moving services to assist you, any kind of move, big or small, becomes so much simpler. Selecting us guarantees you receive access to all the basic long distance moving services and all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and one-time move and upfront pricing. With a local Illinois moving company, it may seem unnecessary originally. When you evaluate the key advantages you get, the price can be a lot easier to deal with. You get the advantage of saving time on your local move, which might be well worth it. You also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. When you hire our movers, you get professionals ready to make your local move very easy. You don't have to stress about devoting several days to taking care of your move when you pick 3 movers to help. No matter how large your move is, we can get it done quick. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Homewood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.